Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video in regards to one of the products that I'm actually promoting. Now, many of you have heard of TikTok, and TikTok is the new thing that's in. Like, this is going crazy. People are going nuts over videos on TikTok or pictures over in TikTok. Now, TikTok was Facebook when it first came out. Okay, at the moment, Facebook has been like throwing ads after ads. My Facebook is now piled up on the timelines with adverts, and it's starting to get on my nerves because you're scrolling and you're scrolling down and you keep scrolling until you get to a post that you really like, and then you start reading or watching the videos. It's great, but then it's interrupted by adverts, which after a while gets on your nerves a bit. But for those of you who are trying to make money using Facebook, it's getting harder and harder. The ads are getting more expensive, and not only that, your posts are getting lost. You know, it's getting muddled up amongst all this like adverts. So people are scrolling past you. So you're trying to look for another platform, another way to make your business known out there if you're online, if you're trying to make it online. Now, TikTok is the place to be at the moment. TikTok is going so crazy. It's unbelievable. Now, many of you don't like creating videos. I understand, you know, people are too frightened. They're asking, what if they don't like me? What if I, don't look right? I feel stupid in front of a camera. You know, what if I get the words wrong? What if I muck up or anything like that? It's true. People are so self-conscious about themselves that they forget that people don't really care about what you look like. All they care about is the content that you're delivering. But it doesn't matter about that now because they've come up with a solution. My good friend Paul Turner introduced me to this last Thursday, and do you know what? It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. $27. Okay, this costs $27 to come in, and what they do is they give you a very simple step-by-step plan to create faceless flipping. Okay, you hear that? Faceless, so you don't see your face, flipping. They put you onto an app where you can download all the pictures. So you've got thousands and thousands of pictures to choose from, okay? It is based in the 80s for some reason. People go nuts over the 80s, right? So you go ahead, you download the pictures that you feel that work together, 5 to 7 pictures, okay? And you write a point of view. It's 1982. Here in Miami, you've just come home from a hard day's work to relax in your pool. And then the pictures will be of like Miami and a swimming pool and your house and all this stuff. But they give you the pictures. They help you with the training. It's that simple. You set up a TikTok page, and then they give you the keywords, the hashtags. You just post it, and then you'll be quite surprised on how many people look at your pictures. Now, don't get me wrong, some of the pictures you probably won't get a lot of likes on or anything like that, but I post 4 posts a day, but one of them has got nearly 6,000 likes on it, 6,000 views. Okay, so this is showing you how powerful TikTok is. Now, I'm getting followers every single day. And I started this last Thursday. I'm on nearly 100 followers, okay, since Thursday. All it takes is one post to go ridiculously viral, and then it will just go boom. As soon as you hit 5,000 followers, then you can open up a TikTok shop. And then you can start promoting. Then you start getting paid per 1,000 views. Listen to this. This is serious, okay? I'm not even joking you. It couldn't have been so simple in my life. I've never come across anything like this. This is working quicker than what I've seen ever. So if this interests you, then I'm going to put the link to this faceless flipping just down below this video. And I want you to come and take a look and see exactly what it's all about. And if it's something for you, then jump on board. It's only $27. Okay, so that's all you got to think about. It's $27. You can try it, you can test it, and you can see exactly how quick it works. And then let's see if you can start making a business out of it.